This is the first vlog of a 36-year-old man living alone in a $40 a month rented room. In the afternoons, I usually take some time to study foreign languages such as English and German. For lunch today, we ate rice vermicelli with fried tofu and shrimp pa-ate. It came with fried tofu. After taking some time to rest, I spent the afternoon driving for Grab. I wanted to earn. This is the first vlog of a 36-year-old man living alone in a $40 a month rented room. Every day starts the same way. At 5:30 in the morning, I wake up, brush my teeth, fold my blanket, and drink a glass of water. The room is small and simple, but it's the place I call home. Before the city fully wakes up, I grab my things and step outside, ready to begin another day and share a small part of my life with you. I stopped to fill up my motorbike with gas and buy some breakfast. My favorite breakfast is simple boiled corn and sweet potatoes, which cost about $1 in total. It's an affordable meal that keeps me full and gives me enough energy to start the day. I get back on my motorbike and continue my ride to work. Along the way, I pass several intersections and stop at a few red lights. Since it's still quite early in the morning, the roads aren't too crowded yet, and there's very little traffic. The city is just beginning to wake up, making the ride calm and enjoyable. I recently started a new job selling coffee in the mornings. Every day, I wake up early and prepare everything before customers arrive. I get the coffee ready, prepare the milk, and organize all the tools and supplies I need for the day. The morning usually starts quietly. Soon, the first customers begin to arrive. Some stop by for a quick cup of coffee before work. This morning, I had 1 or 2 customers early on. I carefully make each cup and serve it with a smile. When there are no customers around, I take the chance to eat my breakfast. A simple breakfast is enough to keep me going through the morning. As the city slowly wakes up, I continue waiting for the next customer. It's a simple job, but I'm grateful for the opportunity to work and earn a living. After finishing my shift and cleaning up my coffee stall, I have a lunch appointment with a friend. For lunch today, we ate rice vermicelli with fried tofu and shrimp pa-ate. It came with fried tofu, fresh vegetables and herbs, fried fermented pork rolls, Vietnamese pork sausage, and shrimp paste for dipping. After lunch, I went home and took a short break. I relaxed for a while, took a shower, and then around the house. After taking some time to rest, I spent the afternoon driving for Grab. I wanted to earn some extra money to help cover my daily expenses and support my living costs. I picked up a few passengers and completed several trips around the city. Although it was a bit tiring, I was happy because every trip helped me earn a little more and make good use of my free time. In the afternoons, I usually take some time to study foreign languages such as English and German. I have a strong passion for learning languages, and for me, being able to communicate with foreigners in their language is a great source of joy. It allows me to learn about different cultures and connect with people from around the world. That is why I have maintained the habit of studying foreign languages every day, even when I am busy.
No Spanish, no French.
French too.
Oh.
But I can't speak it too well.
Oh, only English.
Only a little petite.
Yeah, petty. What did I love Vietnam style. Tôi yêu Việt Nam.
Tôi
Yêu
ôi yêu.
Việt Nam.